ready. I'm ready.
So we're just gonna do some really easy, quick. We're gonna mix them all together because the goal today is to go on the street. Okay. Goal today is gonna go on the street.
Oh shit.
You're fine. Yeah, we need to fix that mirror. Look straight. There you look straight.
I am. Sorry. No, I wasn't. I was looking down.
You were looking down. Go ahead and lower your visor a little bit. And you look straight. So I lied. Come up here. Come up here, okay? So clutch, a little easy from there. You go. Perfect.
Okay.
Our goal.
Give me a second. Okay. Go.
Okay. So the goal is to go into Sabino Veterinary Care. So how are you gonna do that? Just quick, easy. Boop boop. Are you gonna go straight in the turn lane, or are you gonna give yourself enough room to just do it?
No, well, if it's clear like it is right now, I would just go straight to do it.
Okay.
But if not, I'm gonna go in the turning lane. Oh, stop and not fall.
What about all the debris?
I'm gonna avoid the dirt.
Yeah, you see how there's no debris in the actual road, it's just right here?
Yep.
So you could literally go straight, start making your turn once you hit that yellow line, and then go into your turn lane, or go into your lane.
Right.
And then same thing, you see there's dirt, same thing, take it wide, nobody's coming out, take it nice and easy. Don't worry about blinkers right now.
Okay.
Just get there, okay?
Am I doing that right now?
Yeah.
Ooh.
So right now, remember, this is that stop where you stopped in front of the stop sign, but you can't see because of this bush. So now you're gonna have to creep up with the friction control, or the clutch friction zone, and creep up here so you can see this way.
Okay.
So go ahead and do that. We're just going straight there, and that's it. Do not, you really could probably stay in first gear this whole time. Okay, unless you want to take off in second gear. There you go. The whole duck walk. Okay. So don't give yourself plenty of time, plenty of room until you get a feel for your bike. So if you have to wait for like a really wait.
I know. I'm on a hill right now.
Oh, okay.
I can feel it.
If you have to wait for like absolutely open, then do it.
Okay.
I'll sit here. It's nice and easy. Friction zone, turn left. There you go. Turn left. There you go. Now get ready to turn right. Very good. Go inside there, do a U-E, and come back out the same way.
Okay.
Look at you, first time on the road.
I could barely turn my head to see behind me though.
Yeah, we'll change that up. Very good. So same thing, you're gonna have to get into your spot, and then I want you to do the same exact thing, come into here, turn around in the parking lot. There you go. So find your spot.
I can't see behind this bush, so I have to scoot up.
Okay. There you go. So pull in the clutch. There you go.
So I'm gonna go after this.
Okay, that's fine. So
Never mind.
No,
I'm changing my mind.
That's fine. So remember, it's all about taking off quickly, or at least getting your feet off the ground quickly. The longer you try to keep your feet on the ground, the worse it's gonna get. So go ahead and do this one. Okay, no one's coming.
Yeah, there is. I'll get there. Just let me feel comfortable. Okay. I'm gonna go after this car.
Okay.
I promise.
After
the Jeep.
After the Jeep.
I'm gonna go after the Jeep.
All right. Remember, you can merge into the middle turn lane. It's not the best.
Oops.
That's fine. You stalled?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Just start it back up.
I did.
Okay. And we've got a bicyclist coming down and another car coming down.
Fuck me.
I know, that's fine. Just you need to get over the little fear and understand what your bike can do.
Okay.
But take your time. This is why we don't add traffic to practices right away. There you go. Look where you want to go. Perfect. Look where you want. Don't look back.
Okay.
Once you've made that decision to do it, you do it. You can go a little wider on those turns because you went over the dirt on that. Yeah, so whenever you make that turn, do not look back just because you've made that decision already. And when you look back during a turn like that, just go ahead and go all the way.
Go all the way around?
Yeah, just do what you need to do to turn around. You don't have to turn around right away. Once you made that decision to turn, you have to take it. You can't hesitate. Because if you look the other way, it's going to make you go off the road like it almost did. All right, let's do that. Let's do that again. Remember, we are the fastest things on the road, so if you feel like maybe you cut them off or whatnot, but you already committed to it, then just start shifting through those gears and haul ass. because you're gonna outrun him easily. All right. So you're gonna have to scoot up a little bit.
Yeah.
All right. Nobody come to the right. You got plenty of time.
Hold on. I'm not going yet. I'm just trying to scoot her up. Ooh.
Do it.
Oh boy, backwards.
Okay. Give it a little bit.
There we go.
Yeah, a little bit of friction zone. Let the bike do its thing. See, that's starting on a hill, and that's just a speed bump.
Yeah.
Imagine starting on a hill way up here. So
Okay.
that's where you have to play with the friction zone to keep your bike, wanting to stay. All right, there you go. Feet off the ground. Look where you went. Now, don't look back. Don't look back. A little bit wider on the turn.
Okay.
You don't have to cut all the way across through the dirt.
Okay.
When you make that turn, when you make that conscious effort to make that turn, just follow through with it. Look where you're going. Don't look back and be like, is there a car coming? There shouldn't be if you decided to turn at the right time.
Yeah, you're right.
So there's okay, no cars. Same thing. You don't have to stop. There's no stop sign. There you go. Look where you want to. Perfect. That much better turn. Go a little bit wider and go in between where this area is not dirt. There you go. There you go. Let's do that again.
Okay.
First time on the road.
Stopping's getting better.
Yes, it is. See, that's where the stopping comes into play, only when you start merging with traffic.
I need to practice. Like right now, what I'm not comfortable with is looking back. Remember how we practiced at the MSF course? Where we had to go from in between one cones, put our blinker on, check our, side or whatever, our back, and then go to the next side. Just cross over.
That one was for changing lanes during traffic going straight. That has nothing to do with turns.
Well, I am changing lanes.
You're fine, but you remember you already did your look. So there you go. Pay attention to. There you go. Perfect. There you look at that. Use the friction zone.
Ah!
Look, it's fine.
Hold on.
Okay. That's fine.
Okay, I'm going.
Very good. See, the stalling, you start doing it more when you add in more variables.
Mm-hmm.
But that's perfectly fine. It's going to happen. Go a little bit wide. There you go. Look where you want to go. You're looking down a little bit.
I was paying attention to the dirt in the road. You're right.
That's supposed to be looking at 4 seconds ahead. When you're looking down, you're literally looking like a millisecond ahead of you, and that's not good.
Okay.
All right, so it looks like it's pretty empty after these cars. We got pedestrians coming up. So I'll wait for them. You're perfectly fine. You got a white car coming, but you have plenty of room.
I can't see shit.
You're fine. Go ahead.
Can I go?
Yeah, go. There you go. Look wide. There you go. Perfect. Now get ready. Now look where you want to go through the turn. Perfect. That's it. That's traffic. Shift in second gear. Shift in third gear. We're gonna cut out, but just turn around whenever you want. So pull into a neighborhood or something and then come around. Okay.
Okay.
All right. It's all you. Congrats. You're on the road. Don't worry about the cars behind you. Give it some throttle. There you go. Give it some speed. So turn right.
Can you hear me still?
I have absolutely no access to her. The intercom blew out.
Fuck!
Good thing we're upgrading to a new system. Stay tuned for that.
Ah, damn it.
She's way up there.
Can you hear me still?
I have absolutely no access to her. The intercom blew out.
Fuck!
Good thing we're upgrading to a new system. Stay tuned for that.
Ah, damn it.
She's way up there. Hey, babe. Nope, not yet. Hey, babe. Nope, still nothing. It's making me nervous.
Okay. Fuck.
Where are you at,
Terrible.
baby? There you are. Whew, scared me. That scared me a little bit. First flight on the road. First flight on the road. Looking good, babe. Looking good. Can you hear me? Hey, there we are.
Yeah, I dropped the bike again.
Are you serious?
Yep.
What happened?
I was at a stop and I stopped totally fine, but I was starting to go and
Here, pull in one of these spots.
don't sound so upset.
No, I was like,
Fine.
where are you? And like, it took forever. I was like, hopefully she didn't fall. Okay, what? You're stopping on a weird ass hill.
It's fine.
All right, kickstand.
Hold on.
Did you fall to your right or left?
Left.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I had to pick up a bike.
Yeah, you damaged this a little bit more.
I was fine. I stopped fine, but then when I went to go and turn, this cut off because I let go of the clutch a little too much.
Did you fall, or did you crash in the road, or?
In the turning lane.
Oh, babe, that's
What?
scary.
I know that is, but luckily I was in the turning lane.
Oh.
But I picked
Well,
her.
how do you feel?
I feel fine. I don't feel as bad as I did yesterday when I dropped her here.
Well, do you know what you did?
Yeah, I let the clutch out too much.
Okay.
And it stalled her. And then I was already in a turning angle when I was trying to turn around.
Yeah, you're thinking too much about the turn.
Yeah.
You should have just did it like you were doing it here. Did it perfectly fine here.
What I was thinking about was, I don't know where I can get off of this street. That's what I was worried about. I was like, shit, I don't want to get too far from it.
You should have just made a right-handed turn into one of the neighborhoods.
I didn't see any neighborhoods coming up. I think I went past them all.
No, you
I
didn't.
felt like I did, okay?
I know.
I felt like I went past them all, and I didn't want to be away from you for too long. So I was like, I'll just take a left turn right here because I know there's more neighborhoods on that side. So I stopped in the middle lane perfectly fine. And then I started to go again, but I let out too much clutch while I was turning.
Yeah. That's fine.
And that's when it fell over. And I had to pick it up, which was totally fine too. But then a car passed by. I'm like, don't stop and ask me if I need help.
You need to turn the bike off when you do it.
Oh, sorry.
Cool. Well, you took care of it yourself then.
Yeah.
It's scary when you do it in the actual road though, because sometimes people won't stop.
Yeah.
So luckily, there's no traffic here. Because if you do that in the intersection on a left turn lane, like on Kolb in Tonka Verde, that's not good. So that's why we're not doing that. We're doing this. We're practicing this. Once we get over that stalling thing where it happens like a tenth of the time or whatever, and where it's just rare, then we can move on to the other stuff. But cool. You ready to head back? Kind of relax? Go back out here?
Yeah.
All right.
I felt good going on the road.
You want to take it home?
Sure.
Okay. Want me to move it around for you?
Okay. No, I can do it, or else they're going to call you Mangina.
No, this is not going to be on the...
Okay. Are you going to put me falling in the road, too? Don't do that. It's going to look so dangerous.
All right, I'll just put you over there. Just... Fucking mirror looks all fucked up. All right. Good luck getting home. Just kidding.
Okay. I'll be fine.
You did good. That was the first time on the road. I love you, babe.
I love you more.
I love you.
It felt good. Finally doing it.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Alrighty.
I'll see you at home.
Okay. See you there.
Let me turn everything off.
I have to pee.